So continuing with our Sivananda 12, our 12 basic asana from a very traditional lineage of Hatha yoga. And this is our Locust pose or Salabhasana. So it's still in a prone position. We're going to be still working to lengthen through the spine, the back body. And it's very strengthening for the abdominals, and releasing any tension into the lower back when we engage our glutes and our extensor muscles. So coming down onto your bellies, bringing the hands underneath the forehead and just relax there. So there are many variations with a locust pose, and again dependent on your level of yoga and also within your own body and any injuries that you suffer with. So the first variation we're going to take is with the feet resting down onto the mat. The arms are by the side of the body. We're just going to lift the arms and the chest. So you can keep the feet down, engage the leg muscles, engage the glutes, engage the back muscles, the extensor muscles. As you reach the fingertips back towards the toes, lengthen across the chest as you raise the upper body. Keep the alignment within the neck, keep looking down at the mat or look ahead if that helps you maintain that height. You can rest onto the lower rib cage, or you can press the hip bones and the pubic bone in towards the mat. Keep the toes pressing into the mat, tops of the feet, reach those fingertips back behind you. Take nice long deep breaths here. Feel open across the chest. Maybe you come a little higher on that inhale. And then exhale, slowly release. Second variation is with the arms and the legs lifting with the chest. Taking a nice deep inhale, reach the fingertips back towards the toes, toes lift. Maybe for additional challenge, the toes come together or hip width apart. Again, find that position. Trying to keep the knees pointing up towards the sky rather than turning the legs outwards. Keep reaching back with the fingers. Deep breaths, inhale and exhale as you lower down. Take the cheek to the mat, relax into the shoulders, maybe sway out into the hips. It's coming into a third variation. The hands come underneath the body, palms face down, little fingers touch, resting onto the chin. And this might not be appropriate for you, but you can always try it when you're proficient and feeling strong enough in the other postures. Probably won't be talking much in this posture because I'm going to be breathing, but press the palms and the forearms in towards the mat and just the legs lift. Slowly lower, release the hands, sway out into the body.